Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the extended front post half double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, you will need to know how to make the half double crochet stitch, and you will need to know how to make the extended half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular double crochet stitches because it's going to be easy to make the front post stitches around them. On the row that I'm currently working, I've made two chains and then I made a regular extended half double crochet into this first stitch right here. So we're going to go ahead and start our extended front post half double crochet. You're going to start by yarning over your hook one time. You're going to insert your hook in between the stitch that you had just worked and the next one you want to work into this open space. You're going to go around behind that next stitch. Your hook's going to poke out on the other side. You're then going to grab your yarn that you're working with and you're going to pull it through and around that stitch. You're then going to make it an extended half double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over, take it through one loop only. Then yarn over and take it through all three loops on your hook. Now it's going to be one extended front post half double crochet stitch made. I'm doing regular extended half doubles in between the stitches. Alright, so we're on to our next front post one. You're going to start by yarning over your hook one time. Insert your hook in between the stitch you just worked and the one that you would work next, but you're going to stick it right here. In the front of your work, and it's going to poke out towards the back, but you're going to go around this stitch, the back of it. You're then going to grab the yarn you're working with, pull it through and behind that stitch. You're going to have three loops on your hook right now. You're going to yarn over, pull through only one loop. You still have three loops. You're going to yarn over and pull through all three loops. Again, start by yarning over your hook one time only. Insert your hook in between the stitch you just worked and the one you would work next. You're going to put your hook behind that stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through and behind. Yarn over, pull through one loop only. Yarn over, pull through all three loops. Again, insert your hook in between these stitches right here into this open space towards the back of your work. You're then going to take it around behind this stitch. That's what it's going to look like. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through and behind that stitch. You should have three loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through only one. Then yarn over and pull through all three. Again, you're going to insert your hook, well, you're going to start with a yarn over. Insert your hook in between these stitches right here into this open space. Then you're going to put it behind this next stitch. Grab the yarn you're working with, take it through and behind that stitch, pull it up towards where you're working. Yarn over, pull through only one loop. Yarn over, pull through all three loops. And I'm going to make one extended half double on this last stitch right here. So this is what the stitches are going to look like. I made the regular extended half doubles in between to sort of show the difference between them. You can see that the front post ones are raised. And then this is what the back is going to look like. You're going to have a ridge that is made along the back. So that is going to be how to make the extended front post half double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.